Again, it's been a long time coming to finish this series of computer builds that I started back in 2021 during the peak of the pandemic. So for the past 4 years, I've been working on this computer, and now this is the next upgrade, the second iteration of it, which is really now with this new GPU is a completely new internal brand new platform with AM5. Yeah, it's been fun. I'll just go over the specs one last time because again, this is the last time I'm going to be talking about this computer, and probably I'm not going to be talking about any more computer stuff into the foreseeable future for quite a while. Probably not even on this channel at all. So anyways, again, this is the new GPU. It's a Zotac 5070 Ti, 16 gigabyte, of course, because that's what they all come with. It's a SFF, small form factor GPU. It is 3 millimeters thicker than the 3080 FE, but I did just get it in. You can see my Elgato 4K capture card up there. The CPU is an AMD 9900X. I'm running 96 gigabytes of Micron Crucial. It's Crucial Pro DDR5 kit that's in here. Of course, the 9900X is the AM5 platform. The motherboard is a B650M Mortar Wi-Fi, which is a really cool motherboard. I really have enjoyed working on this platform. Yeah, what else is on there? I have 2 NVMe's, a 4 terabyte Western Digital with a heatsink that's just underneath this CPU cooler, and then underneath the GPU is a 1 terabyte SK Hynix drive. That's my OS drive. This CPU cooler is actually from the previous build. I can't remember the manufacturer for this right now. It's escaping me, but I have a video all about it on the channel, so you can go check that out if you want to learn more about it. It just fits inside this case, so I was really happy about that. Just upgraded these case fans. So this is a Be Quiet, I think Silent Wings 4, 120 millimeter on the back. I have a SilverStone 180 millimeter air penetrator fan in the front. Of course, that brings us back to the case. This is a SilverStone case. It's an inverted layout. I really love this case. I got it because it looked a little bit more retro, and ironically, SilverStone, they're making those really cool like beige retro PC towers right now. If I didn't have this, I'd want to get that new vertical tower that they just came out with because it's so cool. This is the intake for the 180 millimeter fan, which is a little dusty. I need to clean it off. On the bottom, I have a USB expansion port, USB-C and USB-A. The A's are USB 3.2, and the C's are, I don't know what they're technically spec'd as, but they're 10 gigabyte per second ports. Moving up top here, of course, we have the SilverStone case reset button, the power button, the LEDs for it, 2 more USB ports, auxiliary ports. I have this Icy Dock 6 port SSD bay, which has been really great to have over the years. You can hot swap things on the go. And the good old Pioneer Ultra HD Blu-ray optical disc drive up top. And powering this thing, I have a Superflower 1000 watt mini PSU behind this shroud. But yeah, that's my computer, guys. That's what I've been working on, and that's the show. She's all done. Again, while I've been talking, this card has just been chugging along at a 99 to 100%, and it's still only at 68 degrees. I'm going to undervolt this thing, which will bring temperatures down even more, which is going to be really great because things are pretty tight in here once I get the cover on, which again is, I love looking at my computer parts, but it's like the end of Indiana Jones. What was it? The Ark of the Covenant gets packaged up into the warehouse, never to be seen again, into the black hole. And yeah, that's my computer. I actually call it Event Horizon, the black hole, because it sucks so much of my time and energy and attention over the years. But yeah, it's like for computer geeks, this is like hot rodding, right? Again, for the last time, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel and in the community. I'm gonna stop talking about computer stuff, and it's gonna all move over to Zelda: A Link Between Worlds, my remaster for the game. 8K texture packs. See you guys then. Peace.